Okay, we're looking into installing Arnode on the cloud, and actually, it's already running here. Maybe I'll give you remote control.
Oh, okay. Click to start the keyword mouse control. Am I controlling your screen?
Yep, you're moving the mouse.
Okay. So, all right, so we have Java installed. Looks like we have Arnode installed. So ls-a shows all the files, including hidden ones in this directory, and we have a .rnode directory right here. So it looks like Arnode has run successfully before. So,
well, we just ran it.
yeah, well, yeah, we ran it to see the help page. Yeah, that's right. Oh, sorry, that's a little hard to control. Well, I wanted to see the command for running. I guess maybe it's something like, oh, I'm a little stuck here.
You can do an Arnode dash standalone, right? Or you can do.
Oh, we can definitely do that. Yeah. We've done that before, though. I thought you wanted to get connected to the Bootstrap node.
Well, we can try to do that. I don't know how to do that.
Well, okay, yeah, should we do standalone first? I think we demoed that last time, didn't we? Oh, but not on the server, right? That was the problem?
Well, yeah, let's just make sure it still works. And we
can I use this one?
What was that? Oh,
this is a different
machine.
Okay. How can I get another terminal?
Another window? Just click on.
Here, you do it. You can do it too, right?
Yeah, we'll just do a duplicate session.
Yeah. Oh, nice. Is that the same one from before?
Same password, yeah.
Okay, cool. All right, cool. So we're in, right? There we go. It looks like over on this back terminal, we've got things are kind of hanging.
Okay, this is the problem we had before. It's not running, huh?
It just says it's not failing either, though, is the funny thing.
Could it be a firewall issue, maybe?
No, we're in standalone. Oh, you mean while it's trying to guess our IP? Let's see here. Do you mind if I delete the Arnode directory?
Not at all.
So we'll just reset it so it like goes from scratch. So now .rnode is gone. So we're going to start. It should make its own when we run it again. So let's just try again. So it's okay, generating a secret key for the node. It does say it created the .rnode directory for us. Yeah, so that is super weird. Is there a way we can get more diagnostics? I'm going to read the docs locally. It's a little easier to control. Well, that's not on the recording, though. I'll do it here. Where's the mouse pointer?
Oops.
Oh, Jim, can you just scroll us through this for a little bit? I wanted to see if there's a way to make the output more verbose so we can like get hints about what's going wrong or why it's just hanging. Did you see anything about verbose or subcommand diagnostics? Let's try that. You want to try running that?
Sure.
I can't switch. There we go.
Yeah, it gets a little confused if I touch my mouse.
Oh, gotcha.
That looks interesting. You want me to scroll?
You should navigate this. It's hard for me to scroll.
I guess.
Exception in thread main. Okay. So the problem here, I think, is that when we run rnode diagnostics, that's going to be a thin client, just like the REPL. And so we actually need an rnode server to be running to get diagnostics from it. So this crashed because we don't actually have an rnode server running. So what else is running on this server? Can we like restart it or?
Yeah.
Do you think that's worth trying? I just don't, I'm not sure why that didn't start up. It didn't crash or anything. It just hung. Or maybe we should see if there's a,
now I can't type.
What was that?
Now I can't type.
Oh, how about now?
Weird. I can type in this window, not that window.
Oh yeah, that's a known issue with rnode. When the thin clients crash, it fucks up it messes up your terminal.
I see. So let me just, for the heck of it, do a reset. Reset. That's better. And,
wait, why did Docker reset do that? Oh, what is reset?
Docker reset didn't. That was in the command buffer, apparently. I kept typing Docker.
Got it.
Yes. Okay, we have a Mattermost WebRTC running, but that's no problem. We can restart that. And we probably can run it as a service too, but we won't get into that right now. And that doesn't have to be running on this machine. I'm just running it here because we have a Docker. This is a machine with Docker that we can run anything we want on.
Yeah.
And the social ledger work is getting a little bit of traction. David and I were working on social ledger stuff at 2 o'clock.
Oh, cool. Okay.
But this is for the video conferencing in Mattermost.
Got it. Okay.
So when you're talking to somebody in the channel, you can just connect to them and ring them and talk. Okay, so we can reboot. Should we reboot?
Sure, yeah.
Why are we rebooting?
Well, basically, the problem is the node won't start and it also won't crash. It just hangs. So it's really hard to figure out what it's doing or what's going wrong. And so basically that makes me think we should open an issue. But before we open an issue, we have to make sure we've tried all the kind of obvious stuff. Like, did you restart your machine? Did you clear out your rnode directory?
All right, boom. Unexpectedly closed the network connection.
Makes sense.
I don't know how long I should wait to restart the session.
Yeah, I don't know.
We'll be trying. Okay. Okay, and we want to try to run again?
Yeah.
Now, it sure would be nice if we could get a trace back when we do a Control-C.
Yeah.
This is not going to go anymore, right? This is dead. I'm going to do.
I think so. Yeah, I think so.
We do a Control-C. That's something they should do as a trace back.
It actually does do that if you Control-C it when it's fully running. I think we're just getting it early enough in the bootstrap process that that's not active yet. rnode.
Nothing there.
Yeah.
That's weird. Well, I guess it didn't get very far.
Yeah. It got stuck. Oh, is libsodium installed?
Libsodium?
Yeah, that's a dependency. Or is this a Java issue? Oh, no, we have Java.
We have Java. The question is it the wrong Java?
No, it's the same one I have, and rnode's running fine on my system. I don't know apt well enough to know how to check, for...
Right. Why didn't they make a certificate?
Yeah, well, right. Yeah, exactly. I was trying to figure that out, and I thought, I'm sure they didn't write their own certificate generating software. Maybe they're calling the library. I want to see what libsodium does.
I'm going to try this one more time without the rnode directory. And this is where it hangs trying to generate the certificate, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we know exactly how far it got. We know it's...
I think we need... Sorry, go ahead.
And it's not generating the certificate, so that's likely where the issue is.
Yeah, right. So the libsodium is one dependency of rnode, and it's a crypto library. So that might be what's supposed to be generating those certificates. So I think we should try to see if it's installed. But I can't figure out the exact package name. I don't remember where the install instructions are. Or we just need to know how to get the dependencies of that package. I'm going to do some Googling.
That wasn't listed as a dependency.
Really?
I didn't see it.
Oh, wait, yo, this is cool. What'd you do here?
I did a search. App search sodium. Libsodium didn't give me anything, I guess because they had a dash in it.
Oh.
Okay. if I take the dash out.
What is this? What is this Xenial or whatever?
I guess they're the, that's what it's called.
What is, how do you know if these are installed? I think libsodium 18 is the one we want. Oh, it says installed.
Where?
I'm looking right here. The package is called libsodium 18. Oh, I can't highlight text. See my mouse, your mouse pointer?
Okay, well, I was touching the mouse. Can you highlight now? Whoops. You can't highlight text?
I don't think so. Oh, I can't hear. I couldn't in Putty though. Can you do that?
That may be because I was touching my mouse. Try again.
That line tells us, did you see the highlighting?
Yep.
That line tells us there's a package called libsodium 18, some whatever version 1.0.8, and it's all, see in the brackets at the end of that line, it's already installed.
Right.
So that's the dependency, I think.
Okay.
Yes, I don't know why our node is failing, I guess is what I'm saying.
And we don't need Python.
Yeah, correct. So I don't know, man. I don't know what to do from here.
Well, do you want to set up a new server and just try it with a brand new server?
Yeah, I mean, what's the time frame for spinning up a new server?
It's pretty quick.
Oh yeah, let's definitely do that then. Absolutely.
Just go to DigitalOcean.
Oh, right. So I did this with, you know, Glenn Braun?
Yeah, sort. I can't.
Seen him around Discord.
Yeah, I have talked to him. He was he was involved with the identity group for a couple of weeks.
Oh.
I don't know why they all left. You know, I think I'm scaring people away. Okay, so we just are going to create a droplet.
Yeah, this looks really similar to what Glenn did with EC2. That's what I was thinking
Now,
about.
What I did with the other one is I just created a thing with Docker on 1604.
I think we should start with a generic one.
Okay, so let's start with the generic one.
I would prefer Ubuntu or Debian.
We'll go with Ubuntu.
Okay, cool.
And we'll go for $5 a month.
Oh, we got to actually pay for each one? I didn't realize that.
Yeah. And we won't enable.
Can we just reset a different one?
Oh, we could reset this one, but I'll leave it. You know, I'm not. You know, I don't know if we're going to keep it or what we're going to do. I mean, if you look at. So where do we want it? San Francisco?
Sure.
I'm going to click IP6 because it's hard to turn it on afterwards.
Okay.
And we're going to do a login, and I'm going to make one droplet, and we're going to create it. And I didn't give it a name. Oh well, I can always rename it later. These new interfaces, it's not obvious where you have to fill in something.
Yeah.
Okay, and it's done.
Cool. So how do we SSH?
Well, we go back to our email and we update and we have a new droplet and we have an IP address. And we create a new session. And we go here. And
Type, I think. Oh,
I'm just going to make the font a little bigger.
oh, good idea.
And I'm going to open it. And I'm going to accept the key, log in as root. And I'm going to pick up the password. Paste that in. Current password, paste it in again. New password. And I'll put in the password we checked currently. And we're in. And now I need to do a
So I think the process is probably something like update your repos. So like apt-get update. And then wget the Debian package for our node.
well, all I have to do is then have to install this, and it should install everything.
Well, we gotta, okay, yeah. But don't you want to, I mean, yeah. We didn't even download that file yet.
I see. We need to get the file first.
Yeah, right.
Oh, geez. Wget file.
Nice, okay.
Now we get to do an apt install, right?
But I think we should update the repos first.
Oh, yeah, you're right. So we.
Oh, here you go. Wait, hold on. Look at this. We do have a libsodium problem. The following packages have unmet dependencies. Our node depends on libsodium 18, but it is not installable. Well, yeah, let's try to just update the repos first. That seems like a good idea.
Yeah. Do I update first or upgrade?
What was that?
I didn't update. I did an update. I'm going to do an upgrade.
Okay. Yeah, it's. Yeah. I don't know if we. Well, okay, it'll go. Yeah, it's going fast. That's fine. Oh, updating the kernel.
It updated the kernel. We have to reboot.
Oh, what's initRD? No, that's. I guess it didn't do the kernel.
So, installing Java may be for people with Windows or the Mac or whatever. May not be for.
I know Glenn did it. I did this with Glenn the other day, and I know he had installed Java then, but it might even just be pre-installed. I kind of think we should try it without that and see what happens. And if
Yeah.
it works, then we can look and see, was it already installed?
Okay, we're upgrading the grub menu. I'll take the new version. Because we didn't do any customizations to grub. Okay, and just for the heck of it, I'll do another update. Shouldn't have to do anything. It's all up to date. Okay. And then we'll just do uninstall now. And
So now it found the dependencies it needs. libsodium is in there.
okay. That's good that we showed what that you need to do an update, an upgrade if it's you get that error.
Wow, what is that last one?
Okay, I'm not quite sure why we got this error, but I've seen the error before, and I don't think it was a problem.
Yeah, okay. It seems like we were. Wow, yeah, I don't know what that is, but this is worth remembering, right? Should we write that down somewhere? Should we be taking notes?
Yeah, we should.
All right, let me get in the Google Doc. What you doing over there? Oh, you're in there. Oh.
I just put the error. I just put the.
I think we should write the commands we used also so that we have a log to reproduce it. Well, I guess it's in your history. All right, yeah, let's just try it.
Our node.
Run space dash S.
Or dash dash standalone.
Right.
The Unix standard was one dash followed by all the one letter options.
Yeah.
And now two dashes with the options spelled out. Each one separately. It looks like we're hitting the same problem.
Yeah, I agree. So Jim, I think we should save as much as we can here, the whole terminal session if that's possible. You think we can save that to a file? What if you control A? Will that select it all?
Probably. Oops.
No.
I can go all the way to the top though and hit shift click. Oh. Shift click.
Dang. What is there like where was the menu? You had a menu somewhere. Is there like save session? I bet that's a thing.
There's a script option, but you have to type that before you start.
Oh.
Which saves the whole session. And
I think maybe we should make that a thing, because then whenever something interesting happens and we ask for help and someone says, "How'd you get here?" we'll be able to answer.
So I know Some terminal I was able to save the whole thing with Control A, but I don't remember which shell that was. I mean, most of this we don't really need. It's just installing stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, got it.
All right.
Now I should be able to. Oh, so with Putty, when you select something, you copied it already.
What'd you say?
With Putty, when you select, it copies automatically.
Oh.
So you don't have to right click or anything. And I can make a new document and just paste it in here.
Oh, or yeah, or even a text file would be good.
Google doesn't have that.
Oh, that's redonkulous. I didn't know that.
Uh, so our node on Digital Ocean 1.
Can you send me the link to this doc in the chat or in Discord?
I'm putting it in the log right here.
Okay.
Uh, what do I call it? System. Call it terminal session.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. You got that?
Oh, yeah, I do. Oh, that's not, I can't get to it though. Can we make it so you don't have to sign in?
Why is it private only to me? Where is this document? Usually it creates it
It's
in.
at advanced. It's in the bottom right.
I can, anyone with the link.
Oh yeah, nice. Yeah, you got it. What the hell? Okay, so I think we just, something got weird there, but I bet if we just try that again, I'll be able to access it.
just reload.
Yeah, I think that didn't work. It said an internal error or something, right?
Well, I did it again.
Oh, you did?
But it says view. It doesn't say comment.
There we go.
But it was anybody could view.
Oh, weird. Let me just try to click the link again. Nice, I'm in. Okay. Got it. All All right, what do you think? It's after 5. Should we call it?
Yep, we should call it. I think I'm just going to delete this. Dude, I got a lot of stuff here, and the usage
Yeah, definitely.
isn't that much. So
Yeah.
creating this for a few minutes is going to cost almost nothing.
Yeah, nice. Oh, that's cool. You only pay for the time you use it?
Yeah.
That's brilliant.
What? Oh. Gone.
Oh, rebuild droplet. That's a nice feature if we do decide to do that on the old one, but it didn't seem like that was going to help us at all, right? We had the exact same issue.
Right. And I did choose the Docker build. I mean, it's still Ubuntu. It seemed to be the same as an Ubuntu,
Yeah,
except that Docker is pre-installed.
Yeah.
Normally,
all right, good. Oh, yeah, what?
Normally, the DigitalOcean builds are excellent. All of the digital open help is excellent.
Awesome.
So it's one of the reasons I use DigitalOcean, besides the fact that they're not an Amazon or a Google.
Yeah, that is nice.
But we'll have our own network soon.
Yeah, that's going to be really nice. Greg gave a tantalizing preview of something in the community update yesterday. Something about music streaming and the music data lives on chain or whatever. Did you hear that?
Yeah. That's sweet. And that was something that they weren't sure whether they were going to be able to put blobs on our chain.
Yeah.
And
all right.
I think there's the way that he was alluding to things. I was thinking that well, it's the way that it's going to be stored is going to be surprising and very cool.
Yeah. All right, man. I'm going to get going.
All right. Take it easy, guy.
Thanks a lot. See you next time.